Bill Panoff here for Port Hole Cruise and Travel. What a thrill to meet up with Sarah from Ask My Concierge. Sarah, how are you?
It's doing well. Okay, Bill, finally, we made it.
We finally met it. Yeah, we're
on a cruise together.
I know, we keep talking about it and keep dreaming about it, but here we are.
We are.
On the same ship.
Exactly.
Although it was a short one. It was like 1 day.
Yes, it was a little bit of a tease, but it was a good tease.
But we're going to come back and do a longer one.
Yes, we are.
Maybe we'll stay on today.
Maybe.
Huh?
Uh-oh.
Sarah wrote a book, an amazing book about the hospitality business called Hospitality from Within. And she's just given me a copy. I can't wait to read it. Tell me about this book. What was the inspiration behind this book?
Ooh, well, okay, so for those that might know, so I've worked in the hospitality industry for 18 years and all of those years as a concierge. And so when it comes to hospitality and all things that, I feel like concierge, they have their finger on the pulse of things.
Absolutely.
And so I really wanted to kind of look back on my career and take all of those nuggets and lessons and put it together in a great book and hopefully inspire some people along the way.
Wow.
There we go.
Sarah, I didn't know you care. Wow.
I do
Oh my
care.
God, Sarah. Wow.
I mean,
Wow.
that's hospitality from within.
So, Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. Tell me about your impression.
Oh
I mean,
my
we
gosh.
boarded yesterday.
We did.
You know, and a surprise appearance from Jimmy Buffett himself. I know
Oh
there
my
was some
gosh.
Jimmy sightings during the cruise, but he actually appeared.
He did appear. It was great. It was this cool experience as far as because I mean, for those of us that are familiar with the brand, you know it.
Right.
You know it's about that sort of come as you are luxury, and they definitely were able to capture that and bring that onto a ship, and so it's very cool and yeah, it's been, and actually, by the way, what I love is that they're doing these shorter trips as well too.
Yes.
I'm a big fan of short cruises because I'm a busy girl.
Yep.
So I like that you can kind of go away and escape for a weekend.
Yeah, and a great way to sample cruising for those who've never had it. 3 times a week at a Palm Beach. I mean,
so
phenomenal.
amazing, so amazing. So I love what they're doing and like all the different bars and all of that. So good job.
And the entertainment yesterday was like, I mean, I've been on shorter cruises. I've never
Yes.
seen the quality of
Yes.
entertainment like Broadway.
Yes.
Or beyond Broadway, if you would.
It was perfect because it had the quality of Broadway, but the cool thing is that it was highly interactive.
Right.
But that's also part of the Margaritaville brand.
Yeah,
it's like
exactly.
quality, but yet like intimate.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
they did really well.
Yeah. So nice to see you. Don't forget to follow Sarah on Ask My Concierge, and don't forget to buy a copy of Hospitality from Within on Amazon and many other places.
Amazon, you can do it. Amazon, you can go to hospitalityfromwithin.com where you'll get a signed copy from me, but whatever works.
There you go. Bill Panoff here for Port Hole Cruise and Travel.